everyone, welcome to Cosmic Wisdom for Weekly Horoscope. This is the weekly horoscope for the week 26th of May till 1st of June as per your zodiac moon sign. So, what is your moon sign? You can go to Google and you can calculate it. In case you does not resonate with moon sign and more to the zodiac sign, you can check this reading as well from the zodiac sign. It's a general reading. I am sure you must resonate with some of the other guidances that will help you to plan your week. It's a month end plus a new beginning of June month. So let's see what cards are guiding you. Also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and join the YouTube family. Also press the bell icon so that you are the first person to get the notification of any new videos uploaded by me. Also, please share this video with your family and friends so that they can also get the guidances and plan their week. For personalized readings, I will put down my email ID, my Facebook page, my Instagram page. You can follow me there and you can ping me for any assistance. So let's get started without wasting any more time. So first zodiac sign is Aries, that is Mesh Rashi. Let's see the guidance for Aries. Okay, so Aries, for you the card which I have pulled out is the Magician. So Magician has all the powers. Magician has, you know, every resource to do anything in life. So it is the positive card. This week you can achieve anything what you want. If you are looking for a job change, definitely you will get a new job. Or if you want to grow in your current job, that is the right step to grow in your job. It is the time to take charge of your life. You are the master of your life, so you have to take the charge of your life and do anything what you want. You can manifest what you need to be a successful person. So manifest your dreams. This is the right time to manifest good fortune, happiness and success in life. So all the best, Aries. Now let us move ahead and check the guidance for Taurus, that is वृषभ राशि. Let's see कि क्या guidance है Taurus के लिए. Okay, Taurus, for you the card is 9 of Winter. That means this week you are having unfounded fears which is not letting you to move forward. It can be any fears like past failures, or if you want to learn car and you are not going to learn because of the fear of accident which you might had happened in the past. So you are facing unfounded fears and you are more focusing on the worst side of that fears rather than learning from them and move on. So that is the only solution, where you need to move out of that fears, learn from it and not let worries to grow, because worries will create problems. So you have to come out of that worries, that fears, learn from them and move on in life. Then only you will achieve what you want. So all the best, Taurus. Please focus on your goals. Let us move ahead and check the guidance for Mithun Rashi, Gemini. So Gemini, for you the card is King of Summer, which means this week you are very devoted partner. If you are already in a relationship, you are very mature to handle things. You are very warm hearted. So if you are single, you might find somebody, a romantic partner whom you can trust, whom you can share your concerns, share your feelings. Also, excellent advice comes from the heart. So this week, if you are seeking any advice, any solutions from your loved ones, definitely you will get advice and that will come from heart, or you might give advice from the heart. Also this week you might involve yourself in some creative endeavors or some cultural events. Maybe your office has some cultural party, or your are in a school or student or education, you might be performing some cultural event. So all the best, Gemini. Now let us check the guidance for Cancer, that is Kark Rashi. Let's see the guidance. So for Cancerians, the card is the Emperor. So this week you will be very ambitious, you might be in a leadership position, you will be a very firm and compassionate leader towards your team members. Also, you will use your logic and structural approach to increase success in your life. You are very organized, you are in a stable job, more precisely in a higher level of position. You are very authoritative, you are very bold and ambitious. People follow you as a leader. So, all the best, Cancer. Now, let us move ahead and check the guidance for Leo, that is Singh Rashi. Let's see the guidance. Okay, so Leo, for you, the card which I pulled out is Princess of Summer, which means that you are very sensitive this week, you are very kind and compassionate, very gentle. Also, you might find a new relationship or any emotional experience this week. If you are single, you might stuck with somebody and face the emotional experience. It's a new relationship. Also, you might get invitation for some social events this week where you will attend the social events. Also, you might find a compassionate friend with whom you can share your problems, your concerns, and definitely you will get a good advice. So, she's a compassionate friend. She or he will help you to come out of any situations in a very normal way. So, do trust that friend and share your concerns. So, all the best, Leo. Now let us check the guidance for Virgo, Kanya Rashi. Let's see. Okay, so Virgo, for you the card which is Queen of Autumn. So this week you have to be very practical, very generous. So whatever you proceed, whatever decisions you take, also in your workplace, whatever situations you are, you have to be practical, because you have the ability to make anything beautiful. So you have to be practical, adventurous, bold in taking any decisions in life or talking to someone in a very intelligent and bold way. Also, you might find someone who can help you in your dreams come true. So you might, it can be your office colleague, your friend, or somebody you meet, someone with whom you can make your dreams come true. He or she will help you to fulfill your dreams. So, all the best, Virgo. Now, let us check the guidance for Libra, that is Tula Rashi. Let's see what is stored for Libra. Okay, so Libra, for you the card is Three of Winter, which means this week you need comfort and love from your closed ones, because you are feeling, helpless, pain, disappointments. Things are not moving as per what you want. Your expectations are not fulfilling. So reach out to others for comfort and love. You need a hug, you need to talk to someone, cry out loud, talk to someone. That way you will heal your current situations, and that will heal with time. Maybe you had a failure in relationship, or you are facing disappointments in your workplace. So these situations make you grow stronger, but at the same time, to release pain, you need to find somebody with whom you can have a comfort and love, or you can talk your problems with them. So that's way you will feel more stronger. So all the best, Libra. Chaliye, let us move on to the next zodiac, Vrishchik Rashi, Scorpio. Let's see the guidance. Okay, so Scorpio, for you the card is Five of Autumn, which means you have to, face money challenges this week. So just try to control your expenses and don't get yourself, challenged by money issues. It is not the right time for a career change, to stop for some time. Let the good time come, then you can go ahead for a career change. Till then, stay wherever you are, because recessions are going on and it's not the right time to go for a career change, because you will not get job as per your expectations, or you might not get the right salary. So wait for some time, work in your current company strongly, and the best way is to reach out to others for assistance. Don't feel yourself lonely, you have to seek assistance. So all the best, Scorpio. Now let us check the guidance for Sagittarians, that is Dhanu Rashi. Let's see the card. Okay, Sagittarians, for you the card is 4 of Spring, which means it's a time to celebrate your success. You have a stable life, you should be grateful to the universe. There is deep feeling of peace and happiness. It can be promotion, it can be housewarming party, you might have built a stable foundation, or you have got a good relationship if you are single. So all these things give you peace and happiness. It's a satisfying personal life, a contented personal life. You should be grateful to the universe. Celebrate with your family your success, your career success, promotion, or you might be celebrating your anniversary. So anything, just enjoy spending time, celebrate, and have a contented, peaceful life. So all the best, Sagittarians. Now, let us check the guidance for Makar Rashi, Capricorn. Let's see. Okay, Capricorns, for you we have the wish card, that is 9 of Summer, which means your wishes will come true. Keep manifesting your desires. Is the right time to get your desires, your goals to achieve. Universe is blessing you with happiness. Your dreams are going to be fulfilled. It's a magical time of life. Make use of it. Make use of it. Manifest your wishes, and definitely it will be true. You will achieve success. All the best, Capricorn. Now let us see the guidance for Aquarius. Okay, so Aquarius, for you the card is 10 of Summer, which means you will have an emotionally fulfilling life with family, friends. You will have a joyful experience. You will enjoy those family moments. Also, if you are married and have children, you are raising your children very wisely. Your children are very confident, very wise, and use logic. Also, you should have people around with whom you can trust. Blindly don't trust people, but you have to be confident enough to, whatever people are surrounding you, whether they are trustworthy or not. So you have to find people with whom you can trust. So all the best, Aquarius. Now the last zodiac, Pisces, Mean Rashi. Okay, so Pisces, for you the card is 4 of Summer, which means this week you are distracted and failing to see the opportunities. I think you are very distracted. You are not focusing on things. Maybe you are bored, or maybe you are disappointed with the current situations, or the opportunities which you are getting does not excite you. But you have to be focused what exactly you need, and then you will see the magical opportunities. It's a time, you are taking someone or something for granted. That's why you are very distracted. Don't take anything for granted. You have to work hard to achieve things, so don't take anything for granted. This week you are very dissatisfied with your life, you are not happy with your life. Just look within yourself, meditate, and find out what exactly you need in life. Then only you will feel happy and contented. So thank you so much, everyone. I hope these weekly guidances will help you to reach out to your plans or to achieve happiness in life. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a great week ahead.